So I want to explain why I was so sad when I sold the wagon. I was pretty depressed for like the first week. The reason why I was sad was I kind of created this machine. You know, I blood, sweat, and tears, a lot of hours into this car, and when I sold it, it was like saying goodbye, and not only saying goodbye, but also all the good memories that I had. So when I seen it go away, it just hit me, and I got kind of sad. For like the first week, I was depressed, just like, oh, why'd I do that? So I am kind of glad that I did sell it, because it basically opened more opportunities for me, and it's in good hands, so no worries on that part. But, you know, I'm glad it went to the person that did go to. Shout out to Zane. I'll leave the link below. It's like the end of my story with the wagon, and then the beginning of his story with the wagon. So yeah, if you guys want to check out how his progress with the wagon, his channel will be linked in below. But here's a little video that we shot of the last days we owned the wagon. So check it out and enjoy. Guys, your boy Stashy. So here's a little walk around so you guys can see more of the car. And I'm just gonna explain what I did to it. It's being dawn right now, so hopefully we get some good footage. And here's the car. Alright, so the car is lowered right now on Brave Auto's lowering springs. It's a 1995, 525, 5-speed. O-Gen mirrors on a 95. I kind of like that look, the elephant ear. So style 32s with some brake dust, you know. I've done plenty of work off the top of my head. What I remember right now is, let's go through it real quick. I got a head gasket, rear main seal, transmission swap, all fluid changes, water pump, power steering, and much more. But let's just do the walk around. Shout out to California Euro. They're the ones that did that. He had it on his E28, but the left side, put it on the right side. Factory slick top, I forgot to tell you guys that. And it's a freaking 5-speed, so how you like me now? Wait, let's get a booty shot. Dang, look at that. By the way, it's muffler delete. Sounds wonderful. I'll start it up for you guys right now. Oh. Well, let's pop the engine for you guys. You know, we gotta do that. Here goes the engine for you guys. And it's a 2.5 liter. It's a regular 2.5 van. So I rebuilt the van. Shout out to Woody from school. That thing was a pain in the butt. So it has a new cylinder head from E36. I am literally gonna miss this car. I was thinking about it and hearing songs at work today, and I might shed a tear when it's gone. So, but a guy named Zane, he actually watches the channel. So shout out to Zane. If I didn't have so many cars, I wouldn't sell it. But just take care of it, Zane. You're a wise dude. For your first car, you're getting the E34. You know what you're doing, because usually people want E30s and they crash them. Moving on.
Hey, nice shirt.
Oh, hey, thanks. So mechanically speaking, this car is okay. It's just mainly the exterior. Exterior is kind of beat. We shot some epic clips of the wagon, and just take this time and cherish the epic clips. I'm gonna miss it, so let's just sit back and enjoy this.
15が勝ったら妖精ごっこの恋人役をしてあげてもいいよ。
just bought the car. Was it 3 o'clock? Here goes. Remember I said about new opportunities? Check this out. Car's arriving. Yeah, here comes. He's coming. The freaking. Hey, look at that car. That looks good. Hey, damn, dude. Look at this. Until next time, players. Peace. Niggas envy, Blinky got the stiffy, got the stiffy, drumming,
Christian, you're so Whoa. You almost hit that car.
I know.
In front of them too, so you couldn't have left.
That was Jerry's car. We could launch this car.